Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is a very important message for the students of IPCC and CA Inter who have written their examinations in January 2021, that is opt-out students. So first of all, let us assume you have qualified both the groups of IPCC or CA Inter. Congratulations. Now it is time for you to focus on ICI TSS classes. You need to join immediately. You can attend either through online or offline. So we have already uploaded a detailed video on how to take such admission. I am leaving the link of that video in card section. Look at the top right corner. So immediately join for practical training. There is no meaning in waiting. Don't worry about corona. Immediately join. Now coming to second situation, that is you have qualified only one group of IPCC or CA Inter by this time. First of all, you introspect the reasons for your failure. First of all, you introspect the reasons for your failure. So apply for certified copies. If you once applied for certified copies, then you can know where you went wrong and you can set right the issues so that you can qualify quickly. So if you want any guidance, what you can do is apply for certified copies. Once you receive those certified copies, send them as mail to my mail ID. I will analyze and tell you what are the mistakes that you have committed. Now, let us assume you have failed in any of the groups and you are unable to come out of failure. Don't worry. I have already uploaded a video on how to come out of failure. So I am leaving the link of that video in card section. Look at the top right corner and watch that video. Sir, I am not aware of what is meant by certified copies. I don't know its significance. Don't worry. We have already uploaded a video in our YouTube channel. So in which we have clearly explained the difference between certified copies and re-verification, and also we have explained how to apply for certified copies. I am leaving the link of that video in card section. Look at the top right corner. So immediately join for our service of study hours and revision examinations for that remaining group. So in this particular service, what we are going to offer is, we will make you to sit for the whole day and we will conduct weekly twice examinations. We will even conduct one set of pre-final examinations. We have already made arrangements for doubts clarification also. So lakhs of students have got benefited through this service. This service of study hours and revision exams is available for CA Inter students of Group 1 or Group 2. Unfortunately, we did not offer any service for IPCC students as the numbers are very less. This service is available at all our branches. With respect to Hyderabad branch, please make a call to our branch principals and then take a decision. Don't forget that this is the last attempt for IPCC students. So in what way this service will be useful, my dear students? The most probable reason for your failure in November or January attempt is home preparation. I am confident that you might have performed really well if classes, revision exams and study hours were conducted in physical mode rather than in online mode. So some students may innocently ask, sir, can't I continue home preparation? By this time you might have realized that home preparation will not work out for our courses. So our courses always demand physical learning. That's why you immediately come and join for study hours and revision exams in any of our branches. Sir, shall we need to worry about COVID? No, my dear students. COVID will not attack people of your age group unless you have some lungs related issues. Otherwise, you need not worry about COVID. First of all, it will not attack you. Number two, even if COVID attacks you, you will be asymptomatic. That means you will not suffer with any of the symptoms of COVID. Unless you undertake a test, you will not be able to know that even COVID has attacked you. That's why you need not worry about COVID. And remember, so this situation of corona may prevail for another 2 to 3 years. Are you going to spoil your career for another 2 to 3 years? No. We have to take a call. We have to be bold and take a decision and join for study hours and revision examinations. Sir, is the hostel facility available? Yes, it is available. Yes, it is available. For more details, you make a call to our counselors. The details of our counselors are provided in the description of this video. Make a call to them. For any reason, if we shut down the campuses, what about the fee? Don't worry, we have made all the arrangements. We have taken some policy decisions about what will be the treatment of your fee when the college is going to shut down due to government regulations. I am confident that such things are not going to happen. Both the central and state governments are giving clear-cut signals that they don't have any intention to lock down. They don't have any intention to go for another lockdown. I'm confident of that. For any reason, if such incidents happen, we have already taken a policy decision on what should we do with respect to the fee paid by you. We are not. Don't worry that your money is going to get wasted. No, your money will not get wasted. We have clearly designed our policies to see that your money does not get wasted. So once you make a call to our counselors, they will guide you. And are there any chances of shutting down of campuses in AP? As far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned, government has clearly stated that they don't want to shift to online education. They want to continue physical education only. The logical reason being shown by government is in online education, poor people are suffering a lot due to lack of access to digital learning. So that's why government don't want to promote online classes. Government is encouraging physical classes. It's a good move. Will campuses be reopened in Telangana? Yes, very soon campuses in Telangana will also be reopened. So when shall you join for ICI TSS classes? First you take care of the remaining group, then you think about ICI TSS classes. When shall students join for practical training? You need to join for practical training only after qualifying both the groups, but not now. Part 3. If you have not qualified any of the groups of IPCC CA Inter, in such case, the best option is come and join for regular batches in 45th session, that is recently started batches. This is the best option, especially if your concepts are not strong enough. In such a case, you will be able to attempt your CA Inter examinations in November 2021 rather than May 2021. For your information, even long-term batch is also available in Guntur. So what is that meant by long-term batch? In this batch, initially we will offer coaching for one group only and we will make you to appear for group 1 examinations in November 2021. So by the time results get announced, we will give coaching for group 2 and we will make you to appear for group 2 examinations in May 2022. That is called long-term coaching, long-term batch. This is especially suitable for students who don't want to struggle by appearing for both the groups, who want to qualify one group after another comfortably. For such kind of students, this option will be very much useful. So my dear students, please do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be able to know. Please install our Android app, Masterminds Online Classes. So large number of useful videos are available in that app. You can directly start watching those videos by paying the requisite amount. Now, if you have any doubts and if you need any career counseling, please do mail to my mail ID mssprakash2012@gmail.com. I will love to solve your problems and I will love to guide you. Immediately after writing exams in May 2021, so you need to follow this important advice. Remember, this is a golden principle which every student of CA course or CMA course has to follow. So take admission for study hours and revision exams for November 2021, that is both the groups, assuming that you will fail in the exams. Don't be overconfident. If you have already qualified one group, then take admission for the remaining group. If you want to attend coaching classes for one group or few selective subjects, then finish it by the time results get announced and don't wait for results. By the time results get announced, you should be ready to handle even negative consequences. Let us assume you have taken admission for study hours and revision exams in both the groups and you have qualified one group. No problem. After results, you can shift to single group. If you want to take admission in any of our branches, then the details are given in the description of this video, either in Guntur or in branches. You can take admission. So these are important points which I thought of sharing with you, my dear students. So don't worry about negative consequences of result. We have to accept everything in life, success as well as failure. And remember, neither success nor failure is going to be permanent. They are just temporary things. So everyone has to pass through the phase of success as well as failure. Don't worry about failure. So definitely you will all be able to qualify CA or CMA courses and can settle well in your life. All the best. Hi students, there is one more important submission, my dear students, which I forgot to tell earlier. Let us assume you are not interested to attend our study hours and revision exams batches physically. In such a case, you have another option. There is a service called Masterminds Test Series. As a part of this service, you can appear for our revision exams right from your home. You can stay at your home, you can prepare at your home, but you can appear for our revision exams. That means weekly twice you can write the exams. Unlike others, we will evaluate your exam papers and we will send you valuation report also, which consists of the mistakes being committed by you. So that service is also available in Masterminds, and if needed you can avail that service also. But fundamentally I recommend everyone, so come to the campus physically and attend our study hours, then your chances of qualifying will improve like anything. If you are interested to take admission, the details of the mobile number which you need to contact is already given in the description of this video. Thank you.